Okay, I'm going to show you how to place numbers on a number line or how to compare the numbers. So here are my numbers. The square root of 52, the square root of 19, the square root of 0.8, and the square root of 60. So what kind of number do these look like? Do you have any idea where they would be compared to like the number 5? Is this bigger or smaller? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give myself a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just think about the radical that got us this. So this would be root 0, root 1, 4, 9. So again, kind of having all your radical numbers memorized. Okay, so now I can see that the square root of 52 would fall in between 7 and 8. So in my head, I feel like it would be 7 point, an estimation, without my calculator, maybe 7.2-ish, because it looks like it seems like it should be closer to 7 than it would be closer to 8. Okay, so let's just think about my process and see how accurate I was. And there you go. Square root of 19 would kind of go in between here. So I want you to think about what that might be as a number. So square root of 19 without your calculator, what would be your best guess? 4 point, and it seems like again it would be maybe closer to that than that. So I'm going to actually just go with a 4.2 guess again with the 0.2. Square root of 19, 4.35. Okay, but as long as your reasoning makes sense, so 4.3 if you're within a couple. So 0.8, square root of 0.8, so that would be down here. So my guess would be on the number line from 0 to 1 that it might be close to, I don't know, up here, 0.8, 0.9. Some kind of guess like that. So let's check it out. Square root of 0.8 is 0.89. And the square root of 60, so that would fall right here. So what is your best guess of the square root of 60? So I'm going to guess like 7.8, 7.9, some kind of guess like that, because I can see that it's closer to 8 than it would be to 7. So the square root of 60, 7.7. Okay, so that's comparing radicals. What about cube roots? So, can you figure out what your estimate of the cube root of 10 would be, the cube root of 50, and the cube root of 100, we'll say. So again, I'm just going to make myself a number line here. Okay, so how do you get 0? You would have to cube root 0. To get 1, you'd cube root 1. What is 2 cubed? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. And this is cube root of 125. So if you think about where these numbers would go, the square root of 10 would be, or the cube root of 10, sorry, be right here on a number line. So here's my guess about a 2.1. So remember how to do this. The cubed, as you can see, I'm going to go 3 any root of 10, and I get 2.15. The cube root of 50, so from here is 27, 64. So my best estimate of that would be, I don't know, we could go, I don't know, I think I'm going to go 3.6. So cubed root of 50 is closer to 3.7. So again, you're just making estimates, so you're just kind of using logic. And the last one is the cube root of 100. So that would be from 64 to 125. Would be in here somewhere. So my guess might be about 4.6 or 4.7. And checking on my calculator, cubed root of 100. So that's what it is. But you could be able to do that without your calculator.